Effects of ginger that the pharmaceutical industry wants to hide from you. Have you ever imagined that a simple spice in your kitchen could be the key to better health? Ginger, that golden and aromatic root, hides secrets that the pharmaceutical industry prefers to keep hidden. Discover how this powerful food can transform your life, combating everything from heart problems to improving your memory, all in a natural and delicious way. Ginger is an ingredient that many people have at home, but few know all its benefits. Let's explore how this simple food can improve your health in various ways. The secret of ginger lies in gingerol, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It helps combat aging and various diseases. This means that ginger not only adds flavor to your meals, but also takes care of your body from the inside. Starting with the heart, ginger works wonders. It improves blood circulation and lowers blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart problems. It's as if ginger is a caretaker for your veins and arteries, keeping everything clean and running smoothly. It also helps lower bad cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood. Do you know that fat that accumulates in the arteries? Ginger helps prevent that from happening. This way, blood circulates better, and the heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood. But ginger doesn't stop there. It makes the arteries more flexible, like new elastic bands. This is important because flexible arteries are less likely to rupture. Additionally, ginger acts as a mild natural anticoagulant. It's as if it makes the blood a little thinner, helping to prevent the formation of clots that can cause heart attacks and strokes. Of course, we're not saying to stop taking your medications, but including ginger in your diet can be a great reinforcement for your heart health. Now let's talk about another incredible benefit of ginger. It helps control blood sugar. This is especially important for those who have diabetes or are at risk of developing the disease. Ginger acts like a patient teacher for your body's cells, teaching them to use insulin better. Insulin is like a key that opens the door of cells for sugar to enter. When cells learn to use this key better, less sugar remains circulating in the blood. But ginger doesn't stop there. It also lends a helping hand to the pancreas, the organ responsible for producing insulin. It's as if ginger is an assistant, helping the pancreas work better and produce insulin more efficiently. Additionally, ginger acts as a traffic guard for the carbohydrates you eat. It makes the digestion of these carbohydrates slower, preventing sugar from rushing into the blood all at once. This prevents those blood sugar spikes that can be dangerous, especially after meals. Scientific studies confirm these benefits. Researchers have discovered that people who consume ginger regularly have lower fasting blood sugar levels. This is great, especially for those who have type 2 diabetes or are at risk of developing the disease. It's as if ginger is a personal trainer for your metabolism, helping it function better. But the benefits of ginger don't stop at the heart and blood sugar control. It is also a true friend of your stomach. Do you know that feeling of discomfort, heartburn, or nausea? Ginger can be a great ally at those times. It acts like a masseuse for the muscles of your digestive system, helping them relax. This makes digestion happen more smoothly and comfortably. Moreover, ginger acts like a chef for your stomach, stimulating the production of enzymes that aid in digestion. These enzymes are like little helpers that break down food, making it easier to absorb nutrients. Ginger can also reduce the production of acid in the stomach. It's as if it's a firefighter, putting out the fire of heartburn and relieving that burning sensation we sometimes feel after eating. Scientific research shows that gingerol, the active component in ginger, is very effective in reducing nausea and vomiting. This is especially useful for patients undergoing chemotherapy and for pregnant women suffering from morning sickness. Ginger acts as a natural calming agent for the stomach, helping to relieve these uncomfortable symptoms. It is a natural and safe option that can make a big difference in daily life. Now let's talk about how ginger can help those who suffer from joint pain. If you have arthritis or know someone who does, you know how bothersome and limiting these pains can be. Ginger can be a great ally in this fight. It acts like a shield, blocking substances that cause inflammation in the body. It's as if ginger is an umbrella, protecting your joints from the rain of inflammation. By reducing inflammation, ginger helps improve the movement of people with arthritis. Imagine your joints are like rusty hinges. Ginger acts like oil, helping these hinges move more easily and with less pain. This can make a big difference in quality of life, allowing people to perform their daily activities with more comfort and independence. Scientific studies confirm these benefits. Researchers have found that ginger helps reduce signs of inflammation in the body, alleviating arthritis symptoms. It's as if ginger is a detective, finding and neutralizing the villains that cause inflammation. This results in less pain and more mobility for those who suffer from joint problems. But ginger doesn't stop there. It is also a great friend of your immune system. Think of your immune system as an army that protects your body against invaders like viruses and bacteria. Ginger is like a trainer for this army, making it stronger and more prepared for battle. The active compounds in ginger help fight infections and strengthen your body's natural defenses. Ginger stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are like the soldiers of your immune system. The more soldiers, the better the defense. Additionally, ginger improves your body's immune response, making it react more quickly when an invader appears. This helps prevent colds, flu, and other infections that can leave us feeling unwell. For those who suffer from respiratory problems, ginger can be a true blessing. It acts as a natural expectorant, helping to eliminate mucus and relieving that annoying cough that won't go away. It's as if ginger is a janitor for your respiratory system, cleaning everything and making breathing easier. Ginger also has the power to reduce inflammation in the respiratory passages. Imagine your respiratory passages as tubes. When they are inflamed, these tubes become narrower, making it difficult for air to pass through. Ginger acts as an anti-inflammatory, helping to deflate these tubes and improving breathing. This is especially useful for those who suffer from problems like asthma, bronchitis, or sinusitis. Additionally, ginger has the power to relax the muscles of the respiratory passages. It's as if it were a masseuse for your lungs, helping them work more efficiently. This can reduce the feeling of shortness of breath and make breathing easier and more comfortable. By consuming ginger regularly, it is possible to prevent and relieve many respiratory problems, making breathing freer and healthier. Now let's talk about how ginger can be good for your mind. Did you know that what you eat can affect the functioning of your brain? Ginger is a food that can do a lot of good for your mental health. It acts by combating oxidative stress, which is like rust for your brain cells. This oxidative stress can contribute to the development of diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Scientific research shows that ginger can improve learning ability and memory. It's as if ginger is a private tutor for your brain, helping it function better. This happens because ginger increases blood flow to the brain, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to brain cells. Additionally, ginger improves the functioning of neurons, which are the cells responsible for transmitting information in the brain. But the benefits of ginger for the mind don't stop there. It can also help reduce stress and anxiety. Ginger has a calming effect on the body, as if it were a warm hug for your nervous system. This can improve your mood and increase the sense of well-being. Some people report feeling calmer and more positive when they consume ginger regularly. Now that you know all these incredible benefits of ginger, you might be wondering, how much ginger should I consume per day to get these benefits? The good news is that you don't need much. The recommended amount varies from 1 to 3 grams per day, depending on how you prefer to consume it and your health condition. If you like fresh ginger, it's ideal to consume 1 to 2 centimeters per day, which is about 1 gram. You can grate this piece and add it to your juices, teas, or even your meals. It's a small amount, but it can make a big difference in your health. If you prefer powdered ginger, which is easier to store and use, the recommended dose is slightly less, 0.5 to 1 gram per day. This is about a teaspoonful. You can add this powder to your juices or use it as a seasoning in your meals. It's a practical way to include ginger in your daily diet. Some people opt to take ginger in supplement form, which are capsules or tablets sold in pharmacies. In this case, it is very important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Generally, doses of 1 to 3 grams per day are considered safe. But remember, before starting to take any supplement, it's always good to talk to your doctor. Another very delicious and healthy option is to consume ginger in the form of tea. In this case, you can drink 2 to 3 cups per day. Ginger tea is a warm and comforting drink, perfect for cold days or when you're feeling a little unwell. Speaking of ginger tea, how about learning a delicious and super healthy recipe? Let's teach you how to make ginger tea with honey and lemon. This combination is powerful, as it combines the benefits of ginger with the properties of honey and lemon. To make it, you will need 2 cups of water, a piece of fresh ginger about 2 centimeters, half a lemon, a teaspoon of honey. The preparation is very simple. First, boil the 2 cups of water in a pot. While the water heats, wash the ginger well and cut it into thin slices. You don't need to peel it. The skin of the ginger also has beneficial properties. When the water boils, add the ginger and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. The longer, the stronger the tea will be. Then, turn off the heat and strain the tea into a large cup. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon directly into the cup with the tea. Finally, add a teaspoon of honey and mix well. Your tea is ready to drink. This tea is a true magic potion for your body. Ginger brings all the benefits we have already mentioned. Anti-inflammatory, digestive, strengthens the immune system. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which also helps strengthen the body's defenses. And honey, in addition to naturally sweetening, has antibacterial and calming properties. This combination is great for relieving cold symptoms, improving digestion, and providing a general sense of well-being. Many people like to drink this tea in the morning to start the day with energy, or at night to relax before bed. It's important to remember that, like any food, ginger should be consumed in moderation. The amount of ginger you consume should be adjusted according to your tolerance and health conditions. Some people may be more sensitive to ginger and feel discomfort even with small amounts. Therefore, it is important to be aware of some contraindications. If you have problems like reflux, stomach ulcers, or irritable bowel syndrome, you should be careful with excessive consumption of ginger. In some cases, it can worsen symptoms like heartburn and stomach discomfort. If you have any of these problems, it's best to talk to your doctor before increasing your ginger intake. Another important thing to remember is that ginger can increase the risk of bleeding. This is because it has anticoagulant properties, meaning it makes the blood a little thinner. For most people, this is beneficial. But if you have bleeding problems like hemophilia, or if you take anticoagulant medications like warfarin, you should consult your doctor before consuming large amounts of ginger. He can guide you on the safe amount for you. For pregnant women, ginger can be a great ally in alleviating morning sickness. Many women report significant improvement in symptoms when consuming ginger. However, it is important not to overdo it. Excessive consumption during pregnancy can have negative effects. Therefore, if you are pregnant and thinking about using ginger to relieve nausea, talk to your obstetrician first. He can indicate the safe amount for you and your baby. If you have diabetes, ginger can be an ally in controlling blood sugar. However, it is crucial that you regularly monitor your glucose levels if you decide to include more ginger in your diet. This is because ginger can interact with diabetes medications and cause excessive drops in blood sugar. Your doctor can adjust your medication if necessary, so you can enjoy the benefits of ginger safely. For those taking medication for high blood pressure, extra care is also needed. Ginger can interact with these medications and potentially lower blood pressure too much. If you have hypertension and want to increase your ginger intake, talk to your doctor. He can monitor your pressure and, if necessary, adjust your medication. It's important to mention that, although rare, some people may be allergic to ginger. If you have never consumed ginger before, start with small amounts and see how your body reacts. If you notice symptoms like itching, skin rashes, or difficulty breathing after consuming ginger, stop immediately and seek medical help. All this information about ginger is fascinating, isn't it? It's incredible how a food so simple and common can have so many benefits for our health. However, it is essential to emphasize that this information does not replace a medical consultation. Each person is unique, with their own health conditions and specific needs. Therefore, if you have any questions or specific health conditions, it's always better to consult a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet. Ginger can be an excellent complement to a healthy life, but it is not a magical solution to all problems. It works best when it is part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. This includes a varied diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and legumes, regular exercise, good nights of sleep, and stress management. There are many delicious ways to include ginger in your daily diet. Besides the tea we taught, you can try adding grated ginger to your fruit salads, using it as a seasoning in savory dishes, or even making a refreshing ginger juice with lemon and mint. Creativity is the limit. Remember also that ginger is just one of many foods with beneficial properties for health. Other foods like turmeric, garlic, cinnamon, and lemon also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. A varied diet, which includes a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and spices, is the best way to ensure your body receives all the necessary nutrients to function well. By incorporating ginger and other healthy foods into your diet, you are investing in your long-term health. These habits can help prevent chronic diseases, improve your quality of life, and even increase your longevity. It's like building a health savings account for the future. Now that you know all these incredible benefits of ginger, how about sharing this information with your friends and family? Knowledge about healthy eating is a valuable gift we can offer to our loved ones. Who knows, you might inspire someone to make positive changes in their diet. And you, do you already consume ginger regularly? If not, after all this information, are you thinking of including it in your diet? How about trying that ginger tea recipe with lemon and honey that we taught? I'm sure you'll be surprised by the taste and the benefits you'll feel. Remember, small changes in our diet can make a big difference in our health. Ginger is just an example of how nature offers us powerful foods to take care of our body and mind. Pay attention to the signs of your body, listen to it with care, and offer it the best that nature has to offer. I hope this information has been useful and inspiring to you. How about starting today to include a little more ginger in your life? Your body will surely thank you. And remember, health is built day by day with small healthy choices. Ginger can be an excellent start on this journey to a healthier and happier life.